In this video I will show you how can you add any Google Map location or route on your home screen. You can see here this is a route where I go every day, and sometime I forget the route, that's why I have to watch the route on my Google Map. So in this video I will show you, if you have this kind of route, then how can you add the route on your phone home screen. You can see here the route I have added on my home screen. If I click on the home screen, the route, it will be open automatically to the route. You can see here the route is opening. You can see here the route have been opened. So in this video I will show the process how can you add route on your home screen. So this is the very easy process for adding route on your home screen. You have to simply go here and open your Google Map. After coming here, open your Google Map. You have to simply select here a route where you want to go, and then you have to simply click here start. You can see here option start. After clicking here start, you will can see here this kind of interface. You have to simply click here three dot. After clicking here three dot, you will can see here option called add route to home screen. You have to simply click here add route to home screen. After clicking here, you have to simply come back from here, and then you will can see here this route have been added to your home screen. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.